It looks like my living room.
Really? Interesting. How about this one?
Bedspread. Throw rug.
You're redecorating, aren't you?
Oh, whoa. Get out of my head, Skull Wizard. Oh, this would be awesome wallpaper for the dining room.
Really? Kind of weird wallpaper. Looks like a turnip fighting a bunny rabbit.
Really? What about this one?
2 ferrets on a trapeze.
Fascinating.
What are you writing?
I just wrote the word fascinating. Ah, how about this for the foyer?
I'm supposed to be giving you the test. Now, what do you see here?
Lampshade.
Ah, forget it.
No, really, it's a lampshade. Drinking a glass of milk and getting a piggyback from Satan.
Oh, very interesting.
What does it mean?
I don't actually know. I'll have to look it up. Internet, I guess.